One of the most repetitive and complex business tasks that AI previously couldn't do, at least from our end, now Codex can do. Here's how. The last 3 years working with non-technical traditional businesses, hundreds, if not thousands of monthly people hours have gone into logging in, exporting to Excel, Word, PDF, and then working on them from legacy software, especially those with user interfaces that predate 2010, even 2005. Software such as Bid to Win, Trimble, Vista, inEight, ERP21, and others. If you've ever used any of these systems, you know the pain. Many of these tools either don't have an API, have limited API, or APIs that cost a fortune every year, and forget about MCPs or CLIs. We have one client that uses such software, and it's one of the hardest things to look at AI accomplishing because there's a filter, and when you filter it, it just takes so long to load. This has been my mini AI Holy Grail for the last year and a half. And the client asked us to do this about 2 years ago when we first did their discovery. We tried everything from agent mode, Claude and Chrome, Playwright, browser dev, and so much more. They just couldn't complete the task or took forever to complete most of the task and then timed out. The most common failure was downloading the Excel file from the site and then saving it to a specific folder. This is where Codex has definitely won the day. So I'm going to show you the manual process of what we're trying to do. First, we go into the report section. Then we go to a specific area here to find the specific report that we want. Then we set this to custom and find the specific job number and tracking ID. So for me, I have to go all the way down and find a specific report, 25122, which causes it to load. Then I have to go to a specific tracking ID. And then we go view report. Now that we got the report, we have to export it to Excel. We have just finished downloading that report. That took around close to 10 minutes just for one report. Now imagine doing hundreds of these per month. So now here's a sped up version of Codex and Chrome doing it and saving it to the folder and adding the formula, because we haven't actually gone into the spreadsheet and added the formula, which we can easily do, but I wanted to show the Chrome plugin in Codex do this entire workflow plus add that formula in a much more efficient manner and just running in the background. So you can see the instruction here, use the Chrome in Bid to Win to export this report. This is where I wanted to save it. Now, interesting, the instructions I wanted to use, I actually added a wait through slow load times because you saw the really slow load times that it was doing. But I actually had to keep putting that in because sometimes it would just time out if you didn't even let it know because it thought that the system itself timed out. And then you have the workbook steps, which I asked it to create a sub agent after the workbook is available, which then adds the formula, does the updates, saves the actual workbook again, then verifies the results. And here's the completion criteria. I also added the goal feature so it wouldn't stop until the goal is complete. So here's a speed run of this. So Codex finished and it took 11 minutes and 46 seconds and it was only about 1 minute and just about a minute or two more than the manual process of just downloading. So you can see how more efficient it is. And what's awesome about Codex too is I can add multiple threads and do this multiple times with multiple job numbers and job IDs, or I can actually deploy multiple subagents. So when they go into Codex, they can open multiple tabs and do multiple work. So it's just more efficient and productive to have Codex do this type of work than do it manually. Now we're in the process of deploying this to many of our other clients who are doing very similar things with their legacy software. And for those legacy software that are desktop apps, we're actually testing computer use if they're on Mac, but I'm sure it's coming to Windows too. The Chrome plugin for Codex is such a game changer. You saw during the manual process, the load times were just so long. And instead of you waiting for it or an employee waiting for this load time, they could be doing something else. And imagine the frustration for employees just waiting for that every single time. We know so many businesses that do this type of work. Their employees are doing this. We've heard it from discoveries. They're very frustrated. And just imagine what Codex could do for them, that they can download the files, work in the files, put it into the specific folders without actually having to go into the software. Now, I know there's definitely security considerations to think about, but obviously there's a trade-off between that and actually getting the productivity and efficiency gains. So has your business tried the Chrome plugin in Codex? How has it gone?